I'm going to show you how to rename your classes in Apple Classroom. So we're going to start by opening up the Manager app. Now the Manager app is this Wi-Fi looking app, and this is again kind of like the Pattonville App Store. So when I open it up, I have a bunch of buttons across the bottom. I want to make sure I'm under My Apps. Now once it loads, you're going to install an app called Schoolwork. Now Schoolwork is a learning management system from Apple, but it's a pretty new product, and it's not quite as powerful as Canvas, which we use to handle all of our classes otherwise. But Schoolwork does give you class management capabilities that transfer over to the Apple Classroom app. If I open the Schoolwork app, you'll get a couple messages welcoming you to Schoolwork. And then when you get in, you're going to see a list of your classes over here on the left. If you tap and hold on one of your classes, you have the ability to edit that class. This gives you the ability to rename these classes to whatever it is that you'd like. You can also choose to add the hour to go along with it. You can choose to change the icon if you want to, and can even change class colors if you'd like. And then hit done. Now this class has been changed. Now if I go back to Apple Classroom, I will see those new class names with the appropriate colors and icons that I set myself.